So we're on the front lawn. It's time to really put this guy to the test. I haven't done anything to it. Anything. Haven't sharpened it. Nothing. It's 100 years old. Who knows? It's probably been left out of the rain hundreds of times. And we'll just see how it does. Here we go. I got this guy at Habitat for Humanity yesterday, $55, and it was calling my name. I figured if I didn't get it then, I'd go back and somebody else would have snatched it up. It's kind of a really unique find, and everything I've been able to learn about it is it's over 100 years old, and it's still kicking major grass cutting keister. We're gonna take a look at this down to the nuts and bolts level, and then I'm gonna try to figure out whether I want to completely break it down and refurbish it down to its brand new look. The patina on the wood is really exceptional. Unfortunately, we've lost a little bit of the label, but otherwise, it's in extremely excellent condition for 100 years old. And oh, by the way, I'm also calling this the motivator because anytime my kids complain about using the powered lawnmower to cut the grass, this will be their alternative.